So to say you're right, the soundtrack is gonna leave a mission. The spectrum's got such supervision. This is the mighty power that can save the day. No one knows what lies behind the magic rays. Always riding on Venom's trail. Come see the laser rays. Fly away.
Hey, Joe, you want an anchovy?
Too salty for me. Tastes like one of your experiments gone bad.
You should see the latest. I'm growing a rare blue algae. Found it near the summit where no other plants live.
That's because it probably ate all the others. I heard it's almost as voracious as that snow leopard culture I've got.
Warm it up a little, and it actually attacks nutrients and meat in the dish.
Wow, can you imagine what would happen if we crossed your blue algae cells with my white leopard cells?
Sure, we get a blue plant that changes its spots.
Holy smoke! The lab!
Good heavens.
A metal handle from a drawer. Hey, what happened to the wooden desks and shelves?
We better notify Malcolm.
Pow! There goes your last fighter, T-Bob.
Lucky shot.
T-Bob, how come all my victories are lucky shots, while yours show the skilled hand of a master?
Easy. Robots are not subject to human error.
Except in your case, I built you, remember?
So that explains why you just beat me. I must be programmed to lose.
Don't be such a sore loser.
What? That's amazing. All the high-altitude experiments were destroyed?
Every last one, and not just by the explosion. Something strange happened here. Now it's out there, causing terrible destruction. And I'm responsible for this. You left me in charge of your lab, and just come at once, before the authorities and the whole world learns about it.
Hey, you three. How'd you like to come along on a whirlwind trip to Africa?
Sounds jolly good.
Dad, are we going to the lab to see whatever made that mess?
We are splitting up. I am going to the lab. You and T-Bob are going observing in the patrol territory around the hotel.
Observing? Observing what?
Whatever there is to be observed. Elephants, ostrich.
You might even see a new.
A new? Oh, what's a new?
Oh, not much. What's anew with you? I say, I haven't had a chance to use that joke in years.
This is exactly how we found it after the explosion.
Where are all the tables, benches, chairs?
Gone. Disappeared. We don't know where.
In fact, everything organic seems to be gone.
Yes, some force, something quite large actually ate away the wood planks in the floor, then made its way there.
What room's up ahead?
It's the cafeteria for the technicians.
Same story here. What's that? Looks like an anchovy. Yep, anchovy, all right. The thing, whatever it is, does not have a taste for anchovies. And I can't say I blame it.
Huh. Wait till I tell Alex there are news out here.
Oh, no. Are you going to tell more news jokes?
I wouldn't say anything like, is a new always new? Gee, the hotel's potato chips are sure salty.
So don't eat them. They'll make you thirsty. Let's just take some pictures and then turn back.
Turn back? Aw, not yet. There's a lake up ahead. That's where you'll really see animals.
Come on, Sly. What's there to be afraid of?
I just don't like it, smuggling illegal ivory out of Africa.
So forget it. We're clearing out at once.
You want to throw away a fortune in ivory?
Chicken feed. Peanuts compared to what I'm after. I've just been tipped off by a laboratory technician on Mount Kilimanjaro that there's something big on the loose up there. Something deadly. Eats everything alive.
What is it?
No one has seen it.
And I ain't gonna be the first.
Of course you will, Rex. The value of that monster on the mountain is beyond belief. Once we control it, we can blackmail every country in the world to pay us billions, or we'll let it loose. No trouble in tracking the blasted thing, is there? Leaves a wide enough trail.
And getting bigger. Seems to be growing as it moves along.
Holy smoke! The thing must be on a rampage. How can we get through this tangle?
No sweat. Mask. Spectrum laser on. We must be getting close to it, Alex. This trail is fresh. It's slick.
And it's blue. It's blue and it's huge.
Protoplasm. That's what it is. Blue protoplasm.
In the explosion, the blue algae cells apparently combined with the snow leopard cell, creating a new life form.
Alex, time to call in the team. Satellite link. Mat tracker calling M.A.S.K computer. Select best agents to combat deadly new life form in East Africa. Alex sector pre-selected.
Recommended personnel, Hondo McLean, expert on African geography and weapons expert, vehicle code name Night Stalker, selection complete.
Let's stop. I'm tired. You don't see a water fountain, do ya?
I told you those potato chips would make you thirsty. Well, there's a whole lake.
You kidding? Drink that? Yeah. That's a salt lake. That water's saltier than my potato chips. Gee, was it something I said?
Something must have scared them. This place gives me the willies, too.
Okay, let's head back. Should have listened to you in the first place.
The great T-Bob is never wrong. I'll just take one picture of you here, and then...
Boy, what a time for your circuits to overload. What? I'm... What? T-Bob! Dad! Alex!
We saw what happened, Scott. Get into Thunderhawk. We'll get T-Bob out. Spectrum lasers on.
It's no good. If anything, the monster is feeding on those laser rays and growing bigger.
Fire wing cannons.
Self-regenerating. Incredible.
And growing stronger by the second.
Looks like T-Bob's a goner.
I see it. It's a mountain of slimy blue protoplasm. It's eating everything in its path.
Only we'd be dumb enough to go meet this thing.
Quit squawking, Rex. We're lucky. We got the thing all to ourselves out here, so we just...
That's what you think. M.A.S.K is here. Rex, you and Dagger come up on the far side of that thing. It's so big they won't even see you. Then we clear out. No fuss, no mess, and no one's the wiser.
No way in. No weak spots either, I'm afraid. Any other suggestions? Yes. I've got to get Thunderhawk out of the way. Alex, we'll meet you at the other end of this thing. The tail end, so to speak, eh? I'm almost there now.
Dad, look!
T-Bob, are you all right?
Yeah, a little sticky, but okay.
T-Bob!
Don't touch him, Scott. He's covered with that blue goo. It eats through everything.
Yeah, I hope I gave the thing a tummy ache.
It didn't harm T-Bob because he's made of metal. The slime only attacks animal and plant material.
Gee, then I wonder why it didn't go for these potato chips. Potatoes are plants.
Yeah, but picky protoplasm. Doesn't like anchovies, doesn't like potato chips.
I can understand about anchovies.
Yet both those substances were living tissue. Why were they spared? What is there in both substances that... Salt. It has an aversion to salt. Of course. Salt draws the water out of protoplasm, makes it dry up.
M.A.S.K can't see you. Now get out and get those samples.
This is silly. With these bulrushes, I feel like a hula dancer.
It's the only way the slime will ingest you again, T-Bob. Ready?
No, but let's get it over with.
Remember, wait till you're near the bottom before you extend your arms and legs.
This job is near the bottom, if you ask me.
What's that meddling M.A.S.K up to now?
Yeah.
Those fools, they're trying to destroy my blue pen. If I don't stop them, they may destroy it before Axe and Dagger get samples. All right, M.A.S.K, you asked for it.
Good, Matt. He's completely within the creature. Now, as long as it remains here at the lake. What's that? Venom! Matt!
Switchblade! Wow! Venom! Oh no! That thing's moving straight for that fawn! Hondo!
What a way to see Africa. Guess that's the bottom. Well, here goes the old telescope trick. Now I radio my signal.
There's the signal. Ring him up. Let's hope all that weight doesn't snap the cable. If it does, there's no stopping that thing.
Go on.
Matt, look at that. Rax and Dagger, trying to take samples of slime. Hondo, forget mayhem. Get Rax and Dagger.
They're as good as got.
they've destroyed it all. They're in for a big blue surprise.
Fuel's almost gone. Going to have to let Mayhem get away for now. But this bugging device will lead us to him later.
T-Bob!
What?
You did it, T-Bob!
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Rax and Dagger got away. Then they got the blue slime.
Because of me.
No, it had nothing to do with you, T-Bob.
Rax, Dagger,
The bugging device.
they destroyed that blue gunk. How much did you get?
None. Afraid of getting any of that stuff on my hands. Didn't want to spend the rest of my life being called Lefty. Besides, I figured Dagger got enough.
Me? I thought you was getting it.
What? No! Of all the blasted, bungling, blithering...
Be right back, Dad. I'm going out to the raft in the middle of the lake.
Okay, just remember it starts getting deep once you pass it.
Take me too, in case there's trouble.
Good idea, guys. Stick with the buddy system.
Yeah, everybody should have a buddy, even Buddy Hawks.
Secret raiders who will neutralize till the day arrives. Track is gonna leave the mission. And Spectrum's got such supervision. M.A.S.K is the mighty power that can save the day. M.A.S.K, no one knows what lies behind the mattress. M.A.S.K, always riding hard on Venom's trail. Come see the laser rays. Fight away.
Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids.